Today, we're making spicy garlic salmon bites. These bowls are a perfect balance of spicy, salty, and greens all in one. Salmon always makes for a fantastic lunch or dinner, and today's recipe will leave you wanting to try this one. So, let's get cooking. We'll start by cutting an 18-inch long skinless salmon into about 1-inch size pieces. Then we'll mince 4 garlic cloves. Add this garlic to the salmon. Next, we'll measure out about 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, and about 2 tablespoons of dried chili flakes. Give this all a good mix. We want lots of turbulence. We'll let this marinate for at least 1 hour. We can prep garnish in the meantime. To cook, preheat an air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and then add 1 layer of salmon bites. We'll cook this for 6 minutes before taking it out and giving it a shake. We'll cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. After this time, our bites are ready to remove, and boy, do they smell delicious. We'll repeat this process for the remaining salmon. There should be a nice caramelization on each bite. To plate, we'll give each bowl a scoop of rice, a handful of mixed veggies, and a serving of our spicy salmon. We'll sprinkle some green onions for garnish, and that's it. These bowls are absolutely fantastic for lunch or dinner. They're not overly spicy, but really have a wonderful balance of spicy soy sauce flavor and the texture and flavor of the salmon that just melts in your mouth. This is one of those recipes that tastes just as good as it looks, and you're going to want to try it. Let me know how it tastes in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.